Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, July 27, 2023. It is 9:46 and 17 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, mind reading abilities. So let's jump to it here. As successful cooperation depends on good mind reading abilities. Date July 13, 2023. Source: University of Birmingham. Researchers found that people with strong mind-reading abilities, the ability to understand and take the perspective of another person's feelings and intentions, are more successful in cooperating to complete tasks than people with weaker mind-reading abilities. As these qualities, also called theory of mind, are not necessarily related to intelligence and could be improved through training programs to foster improved cooperation, for example, in the workplace or in schools and colleges. The team measured theory of mind with over 400 participants. Participants were then sorted into pairs and joined a researcher on a Zoom call where they played a series of communication games. Each player had a set of visual clues on their screen, which could not be viewed by their partner. They had to communicate about the different sets of clues and use them together to solve a puzzle. As players who had high theory of mind abilities and who were matched with people who had similarly high theory of mind scores cooperated more effectively than players matched with low theory of mind abilities. The researcher suggests that this is because of a heightened ability to align in the same mental space and to recover rapidly when a misalignment occurs. And similarly, the researchers found that failures in cooperation were more common among participants with low theory of mind abilities. They suggest this is because these participants found it harder to find ways to align their thinking, leading to more frequent mistakes and poor recovery from mistakes. They show that for the first time, that cooperation is not all about you. Even if you have excellent mind-reading abilities yourself, it will still be advantageous to cooperate with someone with similar abilities, so choose your cooperation partner wisely. And this is a Professor of Extrasensory Perception, Telepathy, Bioinformatics, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.